the Kingston Auditions right here at the Digicel headquarters. Now, last week in Mandeville, I auditioned for iFidel, but he simply did not know talent. He did not recognize talent when he saw it. And so I am back. But this time when I audition, I am going to audition as Terry Tecker and the Drifters, because iFidel can't stop way, and them now go whole way today. All right? Cool. So hi, Mikey.
Hi, Malo.
How are you?
Wonderful, and you?
I'm well.
Yes.
Came last week.
Yes.
iFidel didn't understand the talent. I know this is a singing competition, but how you can have a competition and don't have dancers?
Right.
So I'm auditioning for you as Terry Tecker and the Drifters.
Yeah. Well, I know that you speak exceptionally well.
Yes.
And apparently you can't sing at all.
Oh.
But I'm willing to see how well you dance.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Wait, just get ready to be impressed.
I'm ready.
All right, guys, you ready? Too much heat. Too much heat. Calm down, guys. Calm down, guys. Let's pull it together.
Yeah.
So,
don't bother try the singing thing at all ever again.
Wow.
But the dancing thing, you that. I am willing for the rest of Jamaica to see you every Sunday night dancing.
But not singing.
Not singing.
Wow.
So while them are sing, you just dance in the background and then come on stage and talk, because you're good at those two. Excellent.
So we were good enough to make the main stage.
Main stage.
All right.
Tour, foreign.
Foreign, big foreign. And speaking of main stage, let's just check back in with the judges in the main stage.
Can you see you're hurting me? I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you.
All right. Yes.
Yes, run to we. We are run to you too, Malik.
Every day I rise on a prayer. That's all I got to take me through.
No arrest there. Sorry.
Rasha, you're a beautiful young lady, but not for the singing though.
I was born by the river in a little tent.
I absolutely love running into familiar faces.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay, I'm great.
So I saw you in 2017, was it?
Yes.
And you did extremely well.
Yes, I
Talk
did.
to me about coming back to 2023.
I'm ready for them, man.
You ready for them?
Ready. Like 2017, me kind of shy, like stage fright, and I'm looking at Ali in eyes. Oh my, she let me figure out all when we want to sing. So, you know, 2023, I'm ready.